Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Code with Usman. This is the first video of the Flutter Complete course 2025, and I'm super excited to guide you on your journey to becoming a mobile app developer. Whether you're a student, a freelancer, or someone who wants to build your own Android or iOS apps, this course is made for you.
What will you learn? In this course, you'll learn everything from Flutter basics to advanced mobile development, including White Heavy Checkmark programming language, White Heavy Checkmark Flutter UI with widgets, White Heavy Checkmark Firebase authentication, White Heavy Checkmark real-time database and Firestore, White Heavy Checkmark state management, White Heavy Checkmark payment integration with Stripe, White Heavy Checkmark publishing your app on the Play Store. And yes, everything will be explained step by step in a beginner-friendly way. Who is this course for? If you've never coded before, don't worry, I'll teach you from scratch. If you are a student preparing for projects or internships, this course will give you practical skills. And if you are aiming to earn money through freelancing or uploading apps on the Play Store, you're in the right place. Course format. Each video will be short and focused. There will be source code on GitHub. And yes, I'll also help you with real-life projects that you can show in your portfolio or final year project.